can find several programs for researchers on R Upskill, and you can get full access to these, as well as 90 plus other courses curated just for you with an R Upskill membership. R Upskill is the largest collection of learning programs for researchers, and researchers the world over are fast-tracking their career with the R Upskill membership that gives them unlimited access to webinars, workshops, and online courses. Become an R Upskill member today. I'll see you there.
Welcome to this course, Peer Reviews. The peer review process, a quality control mechanism for journal publications, is a process by which experts evaluate scholarly works. In this course, you will learn the objectives and importance of peer review. You will also learn about the different kinds of peer review and their process and possible limitations.